Well, by the time I end, I'll talk about Agyapong. If you are not comfortable, go home. If you are scared, go home. About the new patriotic party's flag bearership. And I've had people, well-meaning people, who have my interest at heart, at times being worried and asking questions. How do you operate with God? What if? I'm saying this so that you will stop bothering me and getting worried. Do you think I speak for fame? People are worried. Whatever, if it doesn't come to pass, if it doesn't come to pass. When I was young in the prophetic, when I see something one, then I talk. But after 26 years, I wait till whatever I have seen more than 5 times before I talk about it. If I've not seen anything 5 times, I don't have time to talk about it. People are worried. See, when I prophesy like this, if you want advice, don't come and advise me. I'm just telling you. I'm to every member here. Don't come and advise me. Immediately I come out and prophesy, my name is tied to the prophecy. Don't come and advise me that, Papa, don't do that. I get what I'm saying. Don't do that. You are not God. I'd rather listen to what God tells me about what you tell me. Honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong will be elected as the flag bearer for the new patriotic party. And his picture and his name is what will be on the ballot box for the 2028 election. I am a prophet. I don't engineer prophecy. I don't make up prophecy.
The Dr. Bawumia will lead NPP again.
But I'm free and friendly. Primaries in Bawumia Bering.
During the primaries, don't know where Bawumia's results are coming from. Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia, Flagbearer of the NPP again.
Prophetically, Honorable Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Obesa Beye Frank Tuni Ediama NPP.
People say, oh, this prophet have said his own, and this one have said no. But I don't know what they have seen. I can't comment on what they have seen. God bless them. By me.
Hello, Abushafo, ladies and gentlemen. I bring you greetings from Canada. I want to believe so by the grace of Jesus Christ in Now, I want to say, for some time now, there has been a series of prophecies from many prophets. They are prophesying about who is going to be the NPP flag bearer for the 2028 presidential election campaigns. Now, different angles. Now, most of them know, say Dr. Bawumia and NPP nominating Amana Babe Lady NPP. Now, Bimu Krompo say it will not be free and fair election like Bawumia Company. They might end up rigging the elections in Tino. Dr. Bawumia Ababa Belidi NPP as a flag bearer. Now, one of the prophets are very consistent. When the prophecies are the menina, the Okanyana say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and Ababa Belidi the NPP flag bearership. No, near consistent Prophet Bernard Elbernard. Now, I think he has given a lot of prophecies about that. Now, I have covered that extensively. Almost every day, or the new prophecy be Abba, and I say we're making statement about Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. I try to bring it out. I am a fan of Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, so you can understand my bias. I am a fan of John Mahama, and I am a fan of Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. So I try to cover Asimbia Wibeka Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, and I say about His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Hono. I try to go and cover that. Until we are 22nd of July, this week's Monday, and during the administration our church mono and all can say he has seen it 5 times. Senyami Enyinchirena, he would never had risk his prophetic career say or the Babeshen come Ediama Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Ayedianyami Amanehu Entina Okan. Now I think say I am a fan of Prophet Bernard Elbernard. I have been very concerned. And I'm saying, hey, all these prophets are almost so eka, and I say, Omu Eshem come, Edima Dr. Bawumia Ninano. Like, Duduana, no, Omunsem don't fall to the ground. Their words come to pass. And I feel a little bit afraid for Prophet Bernard Elbernard. Say, over risk the whole prophetic reputation on Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. But on the 22nd of July, Monday, na asema Oba Bekano, he just reiterating and assuring all his fans say they should not lose heart, and I said they should not lose hope. I don't know. I don't tell me if I say and then I will conclude at the end of the day. Now, let's say if today is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment. Now, for me, so me to be free. Now, and some more with the algorithm. Share to other people. Now, almost so intimate. I know you will do it, so I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
I have been poisoned 3 times. What did it? My body did not shake. Do you know the number of people who are looking for me? Do you know every day the threat I receive? Do you know why I'm still here? Ask them, they will tell you. Spirit don't back down. I said, spirit, they don't back down. You don't know who you are. 26 years. Do you know what I've gone through to be here? I don't share my experience. I don't share what really I go through. I told you, someone say, if NPP does not come to power, I will kill you. Ask him where he is now. Well, by the time I end, I'll talk about Agyapong. If you are not comfortable, go home. I said, if you are not comfortable, go home. If you are scared, go home. By the grace of God, I prophesy and something about Honorable Kennedy on in Agyapong, and I've gone ahead to document what the Lord has told me. The visions I have had, I put them into a book, and the book is titled Prophetic Conversations about the New Patriotic Parties flag bearership. And I've had people, well-meaning people, who have my interest at heart, at times being worried and asking questions, and others even saying that whenever political conversation comes around and it's about the new patriotic party, flag bearership, their heart, Bernard, what have you? How do you operate with God? What if? By the special grace of God, I have done this thing I'm doing for 26 years. And some people say he has been paid. Me. Do you think when you look at me, a man who has lived his life as a sacrifice, I don't have investment anywhere, yo. You hear what I'm telling you? I don't have a building, a house anywhere, yo. The car I drive, somebody even gave me to drive, oh. Me. Do you think I'm looking for some of these things? Whenever, I'm saying this so that you will stop bothering me and getting worried. Do you think I speak for fame? People are worried. What about if it doesn't come to pass? If it doesn't come to pass? If I have not seen something when I was young in the prophetic, when I see something then I talk. But after 26 years, I wait till whatever I have seen. I have seen more than 5 times before I talk about it. If I have not seen anything 5 times, I don't have time to talk about it. People are worried. That was the same way when I prophesied that Simone Gbagbo, Laurent Gbagbo's wife, who was sentenced to 20 years in jail, that the Lord said she would not even spend 5 years. That's how people were worried. Hey, Papa, hey. The same way when I prophesied that Laurent Gbagbo is going to be released by the International Criminal Court. and will come back to Ivory Coast. That's how people were worried. Today I saw Honorable something wrote a message, and I said, okay, let me tell you. See, when I prophesy like this, if you are an advisor, don't come and advise me. I'm just telling you. I'm to every member here. Don't come and advise me. Immediately I come out and prophesy, my name is tied to the prophecy. Don't come and advise me that, Papa, don't do that. I get what I'm saying. Don't do that. You are not God. I'd rather listen to what God tells me about what you tell me. So I was sharing the vision 3 days or 4 days ago here. And let me share the vision to you and tell you so that it will bring rest to all of this. In the vision, I saw 2 cars. We have closed from church and I saw a vision. I saw 2 political guys in NPP. They came to see me and I told them where they must go because of what I have seen. And this is what I saw. Which day was it? Sunday evening. I saw there were 2 cars. The first car was a new car. The second car was an old car. The first car was being driven on an asphalt road. The second car was being driven on a dusty road. And everyone expected that the first car, which was being driven on an asphalt road, which was going by 100 kilometers per hour, will arrive at the destination in less than 3 hours. And others looked at the second car, which is an old car, which was alone, that it will arrive in 6 hours. And the first car going on 100 kilometers per hour had a lot of cars following. And as I watched this vision, I saw it was 6 hours. And in 6 hours time, I saw the second car that was old, which was on the dusty road, being driven on 50 kilometers per hour, had arrived long time. 6 hours later, we had waited, and the first car, the new car on the asphalt road, has still not arrived. And I asked why. They said the first car has been driven into a ditch, and all the cars with it have been driven into a ditch. And I asked, who is in the second car, which is an old car? And they showed me the picture of Honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong. Let me tell you again, by the visions I have seen, that when NPP had gone to vote and they have counted their ballot, Honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong will be elected by the as the flag bearer for the new patriotic party, and his picture and his name is what will be on the ballot box for the 2028 election. Tell them they insult me. If I see, I will prophesy. If you are not comfortable, look for a different church and attend. I am a prophet. I don't engineer prophecy. I don't make up prophecy. But when I see vision, I say it. When I hear, I say it. If you insult me and I have time, I will insult you. If you insult me, I don't have time, those who insult you will come. If you don't agree, people say, oh, this prophet have said his own, and this one have said no. But I don't know what they have seen. I can't comment on what they have seen. God bless them. By me, that is what I have seen. And I want you to know that my name is Bernard Elbernard Nelson Isha. When I speak like this, it's based on what I have seen. What I've told you, I have seen this for more than 5 times. This, where is the book? The book is not here. That is what I have seen. Obi on Tia is their own problem. time does not need defense, and time does not need debate. They said 31st January 2026. Everybody do your campaign. When we are done, the boldness with which God showed me to document every vision, we'll find out. God bless you.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, as you heard him for yourself, no, he just trying to say he is still standing on his ground. To say enenyame aka no, and as I say enenyame say ebekwa koye, he is still standing on his ground. So if you are a fan of Prophet Bernard Elbernard, like me and many others are, he just trying to tell us we should be rest assured say there is no cause for alarm, and I said there is no reason for us to doubt and I say fear for him. As a matter of fact, no, he is trying to tell people say they should not fear for him. So if you are afraid for Prophet Bernard Elbernard, he said don't be afraid for him. He knows what he's doing and he knows what God has told him. I don't who are we to doubt the word of God from the man of God, from the prophet himself? I don't let us wait to see. Time is going to tell. We all live to see. Until we will know who was telling the truth and who was not telling the truth. So keep such videos. Such videos is good for you to keep them so that in future you will come back to it to come and refer and as a reference it. Say asama odipo we can ebemu and as a memoir. So subscribe to my channel, like the video, drop your comments in, so now share my front so now you intimation there together. I hope you will do it. So I want to thank you in advance. I believe we shall meet again another time. So thank you for your time. Thank you. Bye.